PDF problems are the worst, but what if you could fix the 5 most common ones in seconds? File upload fails because your PDF is too big. You try to edit the text and nothing happens. You have 5 separate files but need to send just one. Your scanned document looks so blurry it's basically unreadable. If you faced even one of these, keep watching, because today every single one of them gets solved. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 of the most common PDF problems people face every day and show you the easiest, fastest way to fix each one. No technical knowledge needed, no paid software, just simple solutions that actually work. Problem 1, file too large. Let's start with probably the most frustrating problem of them all. You've spent time putting together your PDF, your assignment, your job application, your form, and then you go to upload it, and you get that dreaded message, file too large, upload failed. You try again, same result. Now you're stressed, the deadline is close, and you have no idea how to fix it. Here's the solution, a PDF compressor. You take your heavy file, upload it to a free compression tool, click one button, and within seconds, your PDF is a fraction of its original size. A file that was 45 megabytes can become 4 megabytes without any visible drop in quality. The text stays sharp, the images still look clean, nobody can tell the difference. No more upload errors, no more rejected emails, no more last-minute panic. One click and the problem is gone.
Problem 2. Can't edit PDF. Now here's a problem that drives almost everyone crazy at some point. You open your PDF, you need to fix a small mistake, maybe a wrong date, a spelling error, one wrong word, and you click on the text. Nothing happens. You try again. Still nothing, because PDFs are locked by design. They're built to be read, not edited. But there's a simple fix. Convert your PDF into a Word document. You upload the file, convert it in seconds, and suddenly you can click anywhere and edit freely. Change the text, correct the mistake, update whatever you need, just like working on any normal document. The formatting usually transfers over cleanly too, so you're not spending extra time fixing headings and bullet points. Now it's just a normal document. Edit it, save it, convert it back if needed. Problem completely solved. Problem 3. Multiple files to submit. This one comes up constantly for students, job seekers, and office workers. You need to submit your documents, but they're all saved as separate files. Your ID is one PDF, your certificate is another, your photo is a third. You end up sending 5 different attachments, which looks messy and unprofessional and makes it harder for the person receiving them to manage. The solution is a PDF merger. You upload all your files, arrange them in the correct order, and merge them into one single document. The whole process takes less than a minute. What was 5 separate files is now one clean, organized PDF that's easy to share and easy to review. Simple, clean, professional, and it takes almost no effort at all. Problem 4. Blurry scanned documents. This is a problem that doesn't get talked about enough. You scan a physical document, a certificate, a form, an old receipt, and the result is a blurry, low-quality PDF that's barely readable. You zoom in and the text becomes pixelated. You try to read it and your eyes are struggling. It looks unprofessional and sometimes it's genuinely impossible to make out the details. The fix here is using a PDF enhancer or an OCR tool. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. What it does is scan your blurry image, recognize the text inside it, and produce a clean, readable version of your document. The output is sharper, clearer, and in many cases, fully searchable too, meaning you can actually click and highlight the text. Make your documents readable again. Whether it's an old certificate or an important form, this tool brings it back to life. Problem 5. No signature or security. The last problem is one that comes up a lot in professional situations. You receive a document that needs your signature. In the past, you'd have to print it, sign it by hand, scan it back, and then send it. That whole process wastes 15 minutes minimum, and sometimes you don't even have a printer nearby. Or maybe you have a sensitive PDF, personal information, financial details, private data, and you want to make sure only the right person can open it. Both problems are solved in the same place. You can add a digital signature directly to your PDF. Clean, professional, and legally valid in most cases. And you can set a password on your file so it can only be opened by someone who knows the code. Secure and professional in seconds. No printing, no scanning, no stress.
So let's quickly run through everything we covered today. File too large? Compress it. Can't edit? Convert to Word. Too many files? Merge them into one. Blurry scan? Use an OCR enhancer. Need a signature or security? Add both in seconds. 5 problems, 5 solutions. All without stress, all for free, and all in the same place. Now, I want to hear from you. Which PDF problem do you face the most? Drop it in the comments below. Number 1 through 5. Which one has caused you the most headaches? I read every comment. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe right now. Every week, I share simple tools and practical tricks that save you time and make your work easier. The links to all the tools mentioned today are sitting right there in the description. Go try them yourself. You'll wonder why you didn't know about them sooner.